Here's my process for reporting a fake or someone I believe to be a fake and then blocking them. Watch how I do this. And messaging right here, you'll see I got two messages, one from Kelly Espinoza, who's a shareholder. That's a classic fake profile title. And the other one's from Olivia, who's a marketing director. And again, that is a no disrespect of true marketing directors, but that's a title that I often see that's a fake as well. I'm going to report both of these as fake. This is how I do it. I go to their profile, 1 click. I go to click on more, 2 click. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, submit, and done. Now, because I've already recorded, and for me, I didn't record it, so I need to record this. Let's go back. I want her profile, copy that, go back to messaging. Here she is here, and then I type in these words. You don't need to do all this. Reported fake, blocked, bye. And then I put this in, and then I hit send, and now I go back to the profile, and from the profile, I click on more, and I should have done this, copied earlier, report, block, block, block. Now I'm gonna do it again with the other one. So here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna report and block this real quick. First of all, I'm gonna get her URL, copy, I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna do this, reported fake, this is my process, blocked, bye, and then I drop the URL, and I drop that there so later on I can come back and test it. Now I can go report and block all in one action. More, report, block, click, 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 click on fake, hit submit, and now I can block and block. Please report and block and learn how to do it quickly, because the more we report and block, the more of these fake accounts we can get off of LinkedIn. Take care.